In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format borders and lines in Tableau. First, let's get started by launching the Tableau public app. If you haven't already, make sure it's installed on your computer and open it up. Once it's running, you'll want to access your worksheet. This is where all your data visualizations are created and managed, so find the one you're working on or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Now that you've got your worksheet, drag the category and subcategory fields to the rows section of your sheet. This action will help to break down the data into meaningful segments, making it easier for you and your audience to digest all the information at a glance. Dragging these fields defines the structure of your worksheet, so don't skip this step. Next, you'll need to drag the sales field to the columns section. Doing this allows Tableau to plot the sales data along a horizontal axis, providing you with a clear and organized view of the sales numbers across the different categories and subcategories. Once you're happy with the layout, right-click on your sheet and select the Format option. This menu is your gateway to adjusting the visual aspects of your sheet, letting you fine-tune how everything looks. With the Format menu up, click on the Borders icon. This icon will give you access to customize the borders within your worksheet. Click around to explore your options. It's a great way to personalize the look of your data presentation. On the same Format Sheet tab, you need to locate the row and column dividers. These act as guides, helping you to segment your data neatly. Head over to the row and column pane and select your preferred color. Deciding on a color here allows you to make your data stand out and be more visually appealing. While you're at it, choose a borderline type and thickness that suits your presentation style. Remember, consistency is key to maintaining a professional-looking sheet. Next, click on the Lines icon. Just like with borders, formatting lines helps control the overall look of your data. After clicking on the Lines icon, switch to your Sheet tab once more and select None for grid lines. Removing grid lines can give your visualizations a cleaner, less cluttered appearance, making it easier for viewers to focus on the most important data. Finally, go to the Rows tab and select None for both grid and zero lines. This final tweak supports an uncluttered view, especially when presenting to a wider audience. With these steps completed, congratulations! You've successfully formatted the borders and lines in your Tableau worksheet, making your data both polished and easy to interpret. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to refine your Tableau skills.